Hi friends. So I ordered one HMT INOX Gold watch and from Bangalore. So within 3 days it got delivered. So we can have a check on that. Okay, this is its box and there is a projected HMT logo. It is there with the gold marks. So it is looks good. And the box is okay, not that much good plastic quality, but it is okay, fine. So inside this it's a neat good sponge is there. So it's neatly packed, and inside we can see there is another sponge and there is a warranty card. So as usual, HMT is providing 1 year warranty. It's a HMT seal and user manual. So better you can just go through the manual. So for better use for your watch, how to change the timings, all those things clearly mentioned. And okay, just let us unwrap this one. So let me remove this case and yeah, this is the Inox Gold quartz and it's okay, it looks good and it's IGT, it's kind of gold plated, that's what I understood. And it's letter, you can see the 12 3 6 9 letters and others are in dot and all are in gold. Okay, actually I think I have ordered the white dial but they delivered the gold one. Anyway, that I will cross check. It looks good and the chain, it's okay. So it is not that much massive. So when I saw this picture in the website, I thought it is a massive watch, but it is not like that. It is a thin one and it looks good. And okay, here one HMT logo is there. So this is looks good and it's kind of this kind of locking mechanism you can see like, and I think according to your wrist size you can adjust this locking mechanism. So and its fit and finish looks good and this surrounding chromium plating, when I am cross checking there is no scratches. So as usually the HMT watches have many kind of scratch kind of things we can see when we are cross checking, and its gold plated chains are looks good and it's have a lot of this kind of pedals and all those things. Okay, it's nice. And in the back side it is mentioned as HMT logo is there and it's HMT INOX gold quartz India, stainless steel, water resistant, all those. I don't know what is this. They have mentioned some numbers we can see. Okay, IGS 02, that is the model number, INOX model number. This is a water resistant 30 meter and yeah, it looks nice. So when I ordered, its actual price is some 1100 rupees. So I ordered on this the Dasara festival offer is going on, so around 25% discount is there for this model. So I got it for around 1500 rupees. So it is a good purchase, I think. And it's have the um, it's already have the battery and the timings, everything is correct. And okay, it looks good. Let me wear my wrist. So its weight also is very small weight, so okay, it looks good. And I think I have to, okay, it looks nice and you can use this for your formal dress, and if you are going for any occasions, any festivals, it looks good. It's not that much massive in size. So if you like these gold plated watches, uh, and so it's a good option. Okay, so you can just put your comments. So thanks for watching. Bye.